Hi, this is a brief demonstration of the WindAMS Mobile app. I'll start by clicking on the icon. You'll see when WindAMS Mobile starts, it checks for updates from the server. Here it's downloading a new form. Then it downloads any notices that field technicians need to see, any information about updated information in the system, for example. I'll click OK to acknowledge having read that. And then here I'm at the main screen. I'll also note at this point that the device being used here is a Samsung Galaxy Note. It's a great tool for this purpose, as you'll see in a moment. Just to demonstrate a typical blade inspection, I'll click on Forms. You'll see that the system contains both inspection forms as well as general business forms like an auto expense report, timesheets. Lots of other data can be collected through the system in addition to inspection data. But I'm going to demonstrate a simple blade inspection. I've selected my form. I click Start. First thing that it asks me to, that it shows me, are the steps in the inspection. I can proceed by clicking on the first step, which is to scan a job barcode. Now, in this case, I'm not going to demonstrate that functionality, but if there were a work order with a barcode on it, it's a very simple matter to click and capture that barcode. I'm going to skip to the second step, which is to identify the site name. I'm going to go ahead and enter the name Test. Move to the next step, identifying the wind turbine. I'm going to arbitrarily name it number 4. Identify blade 3 as the blade that I'm working on. I'm going to skip the serial number entry, and I'm going to say that I found a crack. I'm going to identify the distance from the root in meters. Let's just say that it's 12 meters from the root. And the distance from the leading edge is 50 centimeters. And now I'm going to take an image of the damage. Of course, I'm in the office right now and not in the field, so instead of taking a picture of a wind turbine blade, I'm going to take a picture of a wind turbine blade. I simply click Capture Image, trigger the shutter, then my image is captured. You'll see my image has been captured. I'm going to click Save, adjust the orientation of the device. It takes a few moments for the device to process this high resolution image. But once it's done, you can see that the image has been captured, and I can actually select the sketch mode, and in this mode I can annotate the image using the stylus that's part of the Galaxy Note system. And you'll see I can add an annotation that clarifies my findings. When I'm done with that, I can click Done and proceed. Taking the image and annotating it is the last step in the damage description cycle. If there are further damages to record, I can repeat the section and enter other instances of damage as long as I like. But I'm going to say I'm done now, and it's going to move me to the next step, which is identifying the GPS location. Again, I'm in the office, so GPS is not particularly accurate. I'm going to say OK, and it's going to affix GPS coordinates that are approximate. And then it's going to ask me to sign my work here. So I can sign the inspection, and when I'm done with that, I can go to the next step, which is to save the report to the mobile device and submit it to my home office. What's neat about this is that it sends off the inspection data, including the image that I collected and annotated, and it also stores all that data on the device. The data that is submitted online is then collected and can be forwarded to the WindAMS web application for archiving, reporting, and review. So that's the conclusion of this brief demonstration of the inspection use of the WindAMS mobile app. Thanks for watching.